Every minute you wait to call a new lead, your odds of reaching them at all drop. Most teams don't lose deals because of price or product. They lose them because nobody followed up fast enough. So today, I'll show you how to build a workflow in Close that follows up with every new lead automatically, so nobody ever slips through the cracks. Let's say someone fills out a form on your website asking for a demo. With Close Forms, that person drops right into your CRM as a new lead. You don't have to wire up Zapier or any other tool to make it happen. They just show up right here on their own. Now I want something to happen the second that form comes in. So I'll build a new workflow. I'll set the trigger to a form submission and pick the form I just made. From now on, every person who fills it out starts down this path on their own. The first thing I want the workflow to do is get things organized. I'll set the lead status to potential. You can choose whatever your team uses to mark a fresh, unworked lead. Then I'll add another step to assign the lead to a rep so it always has a clear owner. Now the best thing you can do with a fresh lead is call them fast. But your team can't always drop everything. So I'll add a call step, and instead of assigning to a person, I'll assign to Chloe. She's the AI teammate built into Close. You'll want to set up Chloe ahead of time, which requires a quick conversation where you tell her about your business and what you want her to say on these calls. We made a separate video on exactly how to set her up, so check that one out if you need help. She'll call the lead within minutes, answer their questions, and book a meeting right on the rep's calendar. And every call gets recorded and saved right here, so your rep knows exactly what was said. Last, I'll set a goal for the workflow. I'll pick meeting booked. So if Chloe books the meeting, the workflow knows it worked and stops. And if she doesn't, it keeps going with a follow-up text or email until the lead is ready. Then all I need to do is click activate and it's ready to go. And that's the whole thing. Now every new lead gets a fast, friendly follow-up even when your team is busy. Start your free trial and build your first workflow today at close.com/signup.